Hey there, friends! Welcome back to my germ-free home, your #1 spot for all you need to maintain a modern and safe home. Today, we will be talking about some things that many homeowners need to watch out for in the home. These are household items that can cause cancer. I know what you are thinking, but I keep a clean space. Why should I worry about cancer when I'm indoors? Truth is that you'll need to be proactive when it comes to battling germs and bacteria in the home. You'll also need to ensure the space is not in any way injurious to your health in the long term. And in today's video, we will be examining household items that are potentially cancerous with everyday exposure. Do make sure to like this video, let us know your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to my germ-free home so you never miss any of our videos. Let's get right into the gist. First up are cleaning products. Household cleaning products can potentially contribute to an increased risk of cancer due to the presence of certain chemicals and substances. Many cleaning products contain volatile organic compounds, which are chemicals that can evaporate into the air. Long-term exposure to VOCs, such as benzene and formaldehyde, has been associated with an elevated risk of cancer. These compounds can be inhaled or absorbed through the skin during cleaning activities. Some cleaning products may contain phthalates, which are chemicals used to enhance the fragrance and increase product durability. Phthalates have been linked to endocrine disruption and are classified as potential carcinogens. Products containing ammonia and chlorine, commonly found in glass cleaners and bleach, respectively, can release fumes that, when inhaled, may irritate the respiratory system. Long-term exposure to such irritants could potentially contribute to respiratory issues, and, in some cases, may be linked to lung cancer. Next up are plastic products. Many plastic products contain bisphenol A, BPA. BPA is a chemical often used in the production of plastics, including water bottles, food storage containers, and the lining of canned goods. Research has suggested that BPA may act as an endocrine disruptor, mimicking hormones in the body, and has been associated with an increased risk of breast and prostate cancers. PVC is a type of plastic commonly used in pipes, clothing, and other products. It may contain additives, such as phthalates and vinyl chloride, which is a known human carcinogen. Long-term exposure to vinyl chloride has been associated with liver and lung cancers. Phthalates are a group of chemicals used to soften and increase the flexibility of plastics. They are found in various household items, such as plastic toys, vinyl flooring, and food packaging. Some studies have indicated a potential link between exposure to phthalates and an increased risk of breast cancer. Next up is nonstick cookware. Nonstick cookware, typically coated with a substance called polytetrafluoroethylene, PTFE, commonly known as Teflon, has been a subject of concern regarding its potential association with health risks, including cancer. PFOA is a chemical used in the production of Teflon. While many manufacturers have phased out the use of PFOA in the production process, older nonstick cookware or products from less regulated sources may still contain this chemical. PFOA has been classified as a possible carcinogen by some health organizations. When nonstick cookware is heated to high temperatures, it can release fumes that may contain PFOA and other potentially harmful substances. Inhaling these fumes has been associated with polymer fume fever, a temporary flu-like illness. While the symptoms are usually reversible, long-term exposure to such fumes has raised concerns about potential health risks. Another everyday products that are potential carcinogens are cosmetics and personal care products. Parabens are commonly used as preservatives in cosmetics and personal care products to prevent the growth of bacteria and mold. Some studies have suggested that parabens, particularly when applied to the skin, may mimic estrogen and potentially contribute to the development of hormone-related cancers, such as breast cancer. Some cosmetics and hair care products contain preservatives that release formaldehyde over time. Formaldehyde is classified as a known human carcinogen, and prolonged exposure may increase the risk of certain cancers. Coal tar dyes, commonly found in hair dyes and certain cosmetics, have been linked to cancer. Some studies suggest an association between long-term use of hair dyes and an increased risk of bladder and breast cancers. Talc, a mineral commonly found in powders and cosmetic products, has been associated with an increased risk of ovarian cancer when used in the genital area. Some talcum powders have been found to be contaminated with asbestos, a known carcinogen. Next up are air fresheners. Many air fresheners contain VOCs, which are chemicals that can be released into the air and may contribute to indoor air pollution. Some VOCs, such as benzene and formaldehyde, are known or suspected carcinogens. Formaldehyde is a common ingredient in some air fresheners and can be released as a byproduct of certain chemical reactions. Prolonged exposure to formaldehyde has been associated with an increased risk of cancer. Some air fresheners release terpenes, which can react with ozone in the air to form secondary pollutants. High levels of ozone and secondary pollutants may contribute to respiratory issues and potential carcinogenic effects. Next up are herbicides and pesticides. Some pesticides and herbicides contain chemicals that are known or suspected carcinogens. For example, certain organophosphates, organochlorines, and pyrethroids have been associated with an increased risk of cancer in studies. Residual pesticide and herbicide residues on fruits, vegetables, and grains can contribute to human exposure when these foods are consumed. Chronic exposure to low levels of pesticide residues has been a concern. Pesticides and herbicides can enter the air and water through spray drift, runoff, and other means. This contamination may affect nearby communities and ecosystems, potentially leading to indirect human exposure. You might be surprised to know that furniture and upholstery are also potential cancer-causing elements in the home. Many upholstered furniture items, such as sofas and chairs, may be treated with flame-retardant chemicals to meet safety standards. Some flame retardants, such as polybrominated diphenyl ethers, PBDEs, have been associated with health concerns, including a potential increased risk of cancer. These chemicals can be released into the air and may accumulate in dust. Volatile organic compounds are emitted from various components of furniture, including paints, finishes, and adhesives. Some VOCs, such as benzene and toluene, are known or suspected carcinogens and may contribute to indoor air pollution. While it is paramount to watch your diet and lifestyle if you wish to fight cancer, taking necessary steps to eliminate potential carcinogens can go a long way to safeguard yourself and household against cancer. Remember to subscribe and like this video so you never miss any of our videos. See you next time.